Now, what happened is that politics crept into us during the 2023 election. We say we are Yoruba. We are supporting the best candidate. Who is a Yoruba person? That's who we are supporting. Some people say no. That is not it. We are supporting somebody from another enclave. Then after the election, those of us who says we are going to support the best candidate who's from Yoruba land, we won.
Taken from the reference that you made during the 2023 general elections, that, you know, a faction or a group of you supported the Yoruba candidate, BOLA TINUBU, who eventually won.
Yes.
The other party, you know, supported Mr. PETER OBI. You didn't mention his name, but it's obvious that that's where you were driving at. Is it not clear that the other faction are for power going to the southeast, which is represented by Obi? So at what point will there be a convergence if you are still supporting BOLA TINUBU? Or are you no longer supporting him?
110% supporting him. Let me tell you, yes, 2027 is coming. Our catchment area is Yoruba land.
For AFENIFERE.
For AFENIFERE. Baba Wolowo said, be a proper Yoruba man first, before you can claim to be a good Nigerian. So, the last election, we clear everywhere. So, anybody can talk on the pages of newspaper. You know our ideology, you know our history. This Asiwaju's government, whether we like it or not, we are going to be there for as long as it's there. It's us now.
Is this your position or the position of the AFENIFERE?
This is the position of AFENIFERE. We don't have a faction. Yes. We made Asiwaju governor. You see, the other reason why we supported Asiwaju, he knows everything about what AFENIFERE wants. About restructuring, about looking after the poor people, about devolving powers to the states or region, or state police and so on and so forth, you know. So he knows everything. If he played politics to grab power, yes, he did it perfectly. He's there now. And he's implementing whatever we want. Even though things are very, very hard. It's going to be hard because Nigeria has been reduced to rubble before. But now, we are just laying the foundation. It's a foundation now. A lot of us whose house has collapsed, we are in the shed. That's what happened now. So, but after the finishing of the house, we move from the shed to be in a palace. This is what is happening. Nobody is saying that things are rosy. Things are not going to be rosy because Nigeria has been reduced down by the previous government. You know, so yes, some people will say yes. They don't. What they want is 2027. But I can assure you, 2027. Landslide. AFENIFERE will win for Asiwaju landslide. I can assure you that. We know what we want. We know what he's doing. Things are very hard, but foundation, we know the foundation. A lot of people at the lower level will not understand what is happening. All what they want is, I want to eat. I want to eat. I want to eat. Yes, we're going to give them food. But let us lay a very good foundation for Nigeria. For goodness sake, it's going to take about 8 years for us to say, yes, we are out of the woods. It has happened all over the world
just
before.
That people would say that the last 8 years before this government,
yes,
you know, it's of the same party, and that it was Asiwaju that brought General Muhammadu Buhari.